Hello friends and welcome to this unboxing and review video. I have some 164 Norev cars and I have some Siku models, and I'm also going to do some announcements for the future. And by that saying, the future is now. Okay, back to the diecast dimension. Let's start with the first Siku model, and it's this John Deere harvester. This one comes in 3 different scales. This is the 187 scale, and you also have a 150 scale, and you also have a 132 scale. But the 187 scale is my favorite scale of Siku, so I choose this one, and I was very happy finding it. Where did I find it? In this store, and I also did a video about this store. It's where I find the biggest Siku collection I've ever seen in a store, including a very big Siku diorama. Definitely a must watch. Okay, let's open this up and see how it looks. It comes with some trees. I put it over here. Put the camera a little bit down. So here it is. You got plastic wheels. This is a metal. Unfortunately, no windows, but that's so cool. It cannot bend or knick. It is made in China, plastic base, and you can turn this around and move it like this. Maybe it's fun to put it here. Okay, let's take a tree out. Piece of wood. See if I can. Yes. See, this looks very nice. Not bad. Okay, let's go to the next model. And that is the Beast. Also a 187 scale, and it comes with some traffic signs, so let's open it up. I was looking for this one for quite a while, and now I finally found it. Traffic signs, not that interesting, but still cool. And it's in the package. Also find this one at the same store. It feels really heavy. Tires are made of rubber. You can see this is metal. This is also a metal. Very nice protection. Protection cage. Man, European champion. This is also plastic. And I think it also looks great on the diorama. Yes, it does. Okay, up to the next one. Finally, I bought the yellow Bentley convertible. And Siku has another Bentley, but this one is the best one with the black wheels and the yellow paint. And the lights are plastic, not painted. You can see the Bentley logo. I also like the black grille, license plate. Also plastic rear lights, not painted. Again, Bentley logo. It is made in Poland. Most of the time you see some specs of the car, what is possible. You can see it that well. rubber tires, and a nice black interior. Very nice model. Okay, next one. The Volvo dumper. As you can see, a 1/87 scale. Siku always have some pictures on the box. And that is what I like about Siku packaging. I'm also going to buy a white 150 scale dumper, and I think it's from the brand Terex. I'm not sure, but that is for the future. Okay, it comes with rubber tires, and as you can see, it can bend, and it can also do this. Let's open up this. See, that goes very good. Diorama away, lower the. Drives really well, it's not wobbling at all. Okay, let's take a look at the front. We got a German license plate, Volvo logo. This is plastic, but it looks very good. We got windows. This is all metal. This is metal, plastic, and it's made in China, not in Poland. Okay, let's go to the Norev models, and let's start with this beautiful Alpine. I really like the package of Norev. I mean, you can, let's put it camera like this, you can display them like this. And when you open the package, you don't have to destroy it like Hot Wheels or Matchbox. So that's a big plus. Yeah, this one looks very good. Look at this. Look at the nice wheels, the rims. Very beautiful car. Nice paint. What can I say about this car? Absolutely amazing. Let's take a look. Over here, you got big Alpine A110, Norev, some details, not much, rubber tires. Absolutely stunning. Love this car. Okay, let's go to the next one. And I think this is my favorite of the ones I bought. So let's open it up. Put this one over here. Yeah, this one looks actually very nice. Look at this thing. The Renault 5 Turbo. Plastic base, some details, rubber tires. This thing looks absolutely amazing. It was cool when the tires in the back were a little bit wider. But still, it looks amazing. Nice interior. Super cool. Very nice. Okay, let's put it over here. And let's go to the next one. Multicam Classic. Very beautiful, nice orange color. And you see different wheels. Every car has authentic wheels, which I really like about Norev. Simca 1000 Rally. Some details just like the others. Plastic base. And I like it that it comes with black hoods. Look at this thing. Totally awesome. Nice interior. Okay, next one. The Mini. Not my favorite casting, but I know a lot of you guys love Minis. So I thought, let's buy one. Because that's very interesting. Also, Mini wheels. Rally Monte Carlo. Nice interior. White roof. Very nice red paint. The Mini Cooper, plastic base, some details. Great Britain. Even if it's not my favorite casting, I still like this car a lot. It is very beautiful. Like a micro version of a real Mini. Very well done, Norrath. Very well done. Voila. Okay, the last one. Also a beautiful piece. The GTI 206 Peugeot. Also rubber tires. Look at the rims, real Peugeot GTI rims. Nice green paint. Good interior. These Norev models are absolutely great. Very nice, good detail. Looking absolutely stunning. Okay, I also have some Hot Wheel over here. You know, you guys, you know that I'm a big fan of conspiracy theories, UFOs, so I thought let's buy this beautiful Falcon Millennium. Very nice. Okay, how about the future? There's an event coming, 1 February. I'm going to make a video over there. I'm going to the biggest diecast plane store in Amsterdam, the Mega Aviation Store. There's also an event 15 February, that is the NAMAC event, the biggest diecast car collectors event of Europe. So I'm going to do another video over there. And 16 February I'm going to an event with RC, model trains, boats, etc. But also a lot of diecast. So there's a lot of good videos coming soon. Don't forget to like and subscribe. Tell all your friends, family about my channel. And I'll see you guys next time. Have a nice day. Bye.